Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to your class 1 science class. Yes, good morning. So, hope you all get to know about your project work, and hope you all get those project on all subjects, the other subjects. So today I will give the project of science. Project of science. Okay. So you can take a copy book with you and you will note these things which I will tell you about this project, that which things you have to make it. So let's start. Your project name is Make a Sailboat. Make a sailboat. So you have to make your own sailboat. Okay. So which things you have to do first? You can note this. First of all, you have to take a thick paper. One is thick paper, like art paper, anything. Or A4 size paper also, anything. Okay, these things are with, if you get if you get those any other colorful papers also, we will collect this also. Okay, so first of all you have to take the thick paper, art paper or A4 size paper or any other papers you have. Okay, next you have to take a stick, thin stick. Second one is thin stick. And example I will give, that is toothpick. That is for example, but if you get any kind of stick, any kind of thin stick, but that thin will be hard. Okay, that thin stick will be hard also, otherwise your sailboat will be broken. So that will be hard and thin stick like toothpick. That is for example, if you don't collect any toothpick, you can collect the any kind of stick which you have. Okay, which you have in your home and any other things. And the next is you have to take a cardboard. You have to take a cardboard. But don't buy any cardboard from any shop. You can collect this cardboard which you have. Actually, we buy something from online and we get many cardboard boxes, right? Many cardboard boxes. So you first of all tell your parents that to put those cardboard, and by those cardboard you will make these things, those cardboard piece. So this cardboard, please don't buy from any shop or anywhere. If any of your friends cannot get these things, cannot get this cardboard, you can help them. Okay, if you have lots of cardboard, if you have one of two or three, any maximum of cardboards which don't throw this, if you can help your friends. Okay, because you already learned sharing. So first, thick paper. When you get this thick paper, you have to cut it like that. You have to cut it like that. Hope you can see this. By thick paper you have to cut this like that. Okay, this shape. And the next, the toothpick which you will get, this small toothpick but hard toothpick or any kind of stick. And when you get the cardboard, cut this cardboard in this shape. Okay, and then put it like that. First take your cardboard, next take your piece of paper, and you can put this stick on your paper as they can hold them. Okay, you can do this, and then this stick you will paste it by any glue, or you can point hole and you can put them also, as it can be make those hard if your sailboat won't drawn. Okay, so you have to make like this shape. And if you want to decorate your sailboat, you can do this. But if it is very easy to collect those things. If you don't have your cardboard, if you can't collect this, tell your friends that he will share those cardboard with you also. Okay, so did you understand it, that what will you do those making the sailboat? Have you any questions? If you can't understand, now ask me. That first of all you have to thick paper and cut like that. Second of all, thin and hard stick like toothpick or any other stick. And next one is cardboard. Don't buy the cardboard, I repeated many times, don't buy it, collect it. If you want to collect it, we can make any things by those cardboards which we all get by those shopping. So you can collect these things, and we have to make this type of sailboat. That is the base, the cardboard is the base, and that is stick, and that is the paper by which things our sailboat can be go one problem to other. Okay, Aritro Ganguly, sorry. Aritro Ganguly, if you want to decorate it, you can color it, you can put this any things, you can do anything. Okay, but first of all, that is the main thing of the sailboat. How you have to make it, I just told you already. But if you want to decorate it, if you want to give those stone, if you can do this. If you want to color it, you can do this, and you have to write your names or class obviously behind of these things. Okay, and that is not so big, that is looking like small, like this, small, not so big. I mentioned it small. Okay, not so big. You don't have to make so big. Listen very carefully, don't make so big, just like that, so small, which we can take this on our hand like that. Okay, if you want to decorate Aritro, I already told you, you can use anything, any colors, any stone or anything. Okay, that's not a big problem, hope. There is no hurry to submit those things. Just make it, relax and make your sailboat. And when we provide the date, not now. Okay, not now. Just relax first of all and make your sailboat. Don't hurry up. Okay, there is no time limit now, but you can start this, and you can decorate your home also by this, but no time limit. When a school give you the time of submit, the date of submit, that day you can submit, but you will get no before sometimes of your submission date. Okay, hope you understand, hope everyone understand it. So have you any problem, you can ask me. Hope you haven't any problem, you can understand how to make the sailboat. And you can if you want to get help, if you can't understand, if you want to get help, you can see also the page number 48. If you also see this page number 48, okay, if you any problem, if you face any problem, you can get help from this page also. Okay. Okay, now everyone take your copy book with you, because this food and homes of animals, this exercise part we have to start today, and that page number 43, and I am now erasing it. As you have no problem, I have to erase it. Okay. And if you have any problem about this project, you can ask me on your ePortal chat box. You can ask me on your ePortal chat box after making this, or when you try to make. That time, if you have any problem which you can't understand, that time you can also ask me. Don't hesitate about it. Also ask me on the ePortal chat box. Okay, I will help you. Next, open the page number 43. And the exercise part of the foods and homes of animals. And here question A, tick the correct answers. Here you all know you have a statement with 3 options, and you have to choose the correct option with this. Okay, Angshika, no problem. You will see this video when you have time. You can see this. Okay, I will upload these things on your YouTube. So next question A. Yes, Adrija, we feel air in a cycle tube. No, that is page number 43. Which things you tell it I can't understand, but open the page number 43. And this question A. Question 1 is, a dash eats insects and worms. A dash eats insects and worms. So which things eat insect and worms? Here you will get the 3 options. First one is the cow, second one is spider, and third one is pigeon. So tell me, who eat insect and worms? Yes, very good. That is spider. Adrija, which things you write here I can't understand. See your book at page number 43. 43. See your book. Adrija Kole, see your book. Yes, a spider eats insect and worms. A spider eats insect and worms. Next is a horse lives in a den, stable, or burrow. A horse lives in a stable, den, or burrow. Where the horse lives in? You all know. Yes, that is stable. A horse lives in a stable. Very good. A horse lives in a stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Okay. Very good. The horse lives in a stable. Now go to the next is question number B. Match the following. And yes, very good everyone. You gave the correct answer, that is stable. Next is the question B. Match the following. Here the left column you will get some name of the animals, and the right column there already gives some homes of those animals, but you have to match these things, right? That which animal lives there and what is their name. You have to match it. So already you give the answer. So let's start. Question 1 is dog. Question 1, that is dog. Question 2, that is bird. And question C, that is rabbit. So we already get some example of the nest, kennel, and the nest, burrow, and kennel. So you already told me that dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. But you know, the dog cannot make their own home. That is made by human. That is made by human. So where the dog lives, that is we called kennel. Second one is bird. Bird make their own nest. Bird make their own nest, and where they live, that is we called nest. And the rabbit who make their own home, that is burrow. And you can make it in the ground, right? It can make it in the ground. So rabbit make their own home, that is burrow. Very good. Now go to the next, that is question number C. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. Hope you all write those things on your copy book, because I have to erase it now. Did you all copy this? I am now erasing those answers of question A and question B. Okay. So, question C, that is some sentence with blanks, and you have to fill this, because here already you will get some options in this yellow box, and you have to choose the correct one with each sentence. So, first one is goat and deer are. Question 1. Goat and deer are. So tell me, goat and deer are, is they flesh eaters, grain eaters, plant eaters, or insect eaters? Yes, so you all already give the answer, that is plant eaters. Very good. So write it in full sentence, everyone. Aradhya, Aritro, Orion, Adrija, Kole, write it in full sentence, because you didn't give any question number on with your answer. How can I understand it? Okay. So that's why if you can write it in full sentence. So goat and deer are plant eaters, because they eat only plant leaves or grasses. So that's why we call them plant eaters. Next is chameleon and lizard are. Chameleon and lizard are. So which things they eat? Chameleon and lizard. Which things they eat? Yes, they eat insect. They eat insect. So they are insect eaters. They are insect eaters. Very good. Chameleon and lizard are insect eaters. Very good. Next is lion and tiger are. Lion and tiger are. Lion and tiger are dash. So you know, we can see those animals in the forest or in the zoo also. And lion and tigers only eat the flesh of other animals, right? They only eat the flesh of other animals. So that's why they are flesh eaters. That's why they are flesh eaters. So lion and tiger are flesh eaters. Next is pigeon and hen. And you already get to know the pigeon and hen. They eat only, they are bird as they are, and they eat only the food grain. They eat only the food grain. So they are grain eaters. They are grain eaters. So here goat and deer are plant eaters, chameleon and lizard are insect eaters, lion and tiger are flesh eaters, and pigeon and hen are grain eaters. So today we discussed question A, question B and question C. And rest of this part of the exercise from question D we will discuss in your offline classes also. So you have to see those videos. And this, first of all, the making the sailboat, which things hope you all understand is how to make it, and your name of the project, make a sailboat. And first of all, you have to take a thick paper. You can take a colorful papers also, any art paper, A4 size paper, anything. Next, a thin and hard stick like toothpick or any other stick which you want or which you get. And the next is a cardboard. Don't buy any cardboard. If you collect this, that's very good. If you can't, you can tell me. Okay, so those cardboard we will you have to cut, which I already show you how to cut it and the shape. And then you have to put the stick on the cardboard and you have to attach the paper with the stick, that is make your sailboat. And you can decorate your sailboat. You have to write your name, class and other things I will provide you next. So these things you have to attach the underside of the under the your sailboat. Okay, and upper side you can decorate it by color, by anything which you want. Okay everyone, so hope you all understand it. And yes, so everyone gave the correct answers as I see. Very good. And you have to read this chapter, foods and homes of other animals, that's very attentively. And the rest of the part you can practice again. Okay, Virup, it's just which things you can make. Don't make this so big because you can't carry this. Which things, which size you can carry, that we can, I just show you on this palm. This boat we can just put this on the palm, like that you can make this. Okay, like this, our palm of the. So not make so big, that is very hard to carry. Okay, so that's all for today. Your class is over. And who are present today, please write here P. I will take the attendance. So everyone write here P. Don't cut this call before the attendance. Okay, and bye.